Morning of the road trip to Utah, to Moab. We're here with the sweet Ford Transavant XLT Edition 350 series. Woo! And we're about to get a sweet cold start on this Transavant. I have no idea where the exhaust is. Hit it, Robert. Ooh. Yeah, rev it. We don't need to let it warm up. It smells awesome. Made it to Flagstaff, Arizona. Getting gas in the giant 16-passenger van.
Hello.
Hi. Whoa, fancy seeing you two in here.
Yeah.
What'd you find? Get a Route 66 magnet or something? It's a dry heat. Boys make good pets.
What the heck?
That's interesting. I like this Route 66 sticker or magnet though. I've got a magnet collection.
With the back scratcher?
I like that, but I don't really want the wings. Where's one without wings? Like this. But a magnet. That's what I want. Might have to wait and find one somewhere else. What kind of snacks are you gonna get, Sumner?
Candy.
What kind of candy are you gonna get?
Not sure yet.
Tell me.
You can't go to buy candy already knowing what kind of candy you're gonna get. Like,
Sure you can.
The fun of
I
it is
always
going to the candy
want
aisle.
peanut butter M&Ms. They just happen to be right there.
You don't have any more.
You're a liar.
I took the price tag off the accident.
You're stealing price tags. Put it back.
It was 99 cents.
I'm not really hungry, so I don't really want anything. But I know I will be hungry. What are you gonna get, Jeff?
I'm gonna get some pretzel pieces with honey mustard and onion. Not.
Sounds terrible.
Yeah.
How about Cuddy's cute buddy? Buddies. Cuddy, not buddy. Cuddy's. Buddies. Buddies. Muddy Buddies, actually.
There you go.
Peanut butter and chocolate.
Ooh.
Cookies and cream? Oh, I gotta try those. Cookies and cream Muddy Buddies. Those are probably delicious. Why? Hold on.
Oh wait. Wait a minute.
What?
I don't want that brand.
Cookies and cream Muddy Buddies.
Good call.
What is it?
Sunflower seeds.
Okay.
Sunflower seeds.
Discussion. Thank you. Well, beautiful Flagstaff. By beautiful, I mean chevron. The chevron in Flagstaff is beautiful. So Matt went over to batteries and bulbs to get an inverter so he could use his laptop in a car. I don't know why that's that important. So hopefully they have what he needs. So we're waiting on him.
So he's gonna pay 10 times the price because it's there instead of Walmart.
Yeah, I couldn't wait till we found a Walmart.
Probably won't even have it.
Probably won't even have them. Sumner, what do you think about this canyon of grandness?
You may crack him up.
Well, it's quite magnificent.
Is it? That's what you think?
It's quite humbling, really.
Is it really?
To
It looks
stand
fake.
here.
Like
It
the
does
lunar
look
landing.
fake. So we were on our way to Moab, Utah today. We're still on our way there. Took a slight detour, like a 2-hour detour. We didn't realize how close we were to the Grand Canyon. So Robert and I decided that we didn't care what the other guys wanted to do.
That's right.
We were coming to the Grand Canyon. You know, once in a lifetime thing.
And I was driving, so.
Or however many times you want to come here because you can drive to it. But it's pretty incredible. We're going down there to the outlook or overlook, whatever it is. little bit further down the road on the way to Moab, and we found a place that's got a few less people, and the view here is way better.